Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Stomanai Guru. Welcome all of you today on 5th December 2021. In this episode, we will discuss about some major news on cotton, that is one of the leading agro commodities of India. So the impact of excess rain and pink bollworm on cotton output. India's cotton crop is feared to have been affected by unseasonal rainfall in a few of the key rising areas this season, that is of October 2021 to September 2022, and there are studies of infestations of pink bollworm pests. However, it's unlikely to make any main impression on the manufacturing of the pure fiber in accordance with the merchants and growers. Regardless of extra rainfall in key rising states corresponding to Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, the US Division of Agriculture this month pegged India's output for the present season at 6.09 million tons or 358 lakhs bales of 170 kg of per bale, changed from its estimate made final month. So the projection is towards final year's output of 353.5 lakh bales. It's in step with the estimates made by the Cotton Affiliation of India, a physique of cotton merchant. The Minister of Agriculture has nevertheless pegged it increased because the projections has been made earlier than October. The peculiar scenario, there may be some lack of cotton crop, however it's not a serious one. Nonetheless, high quality of copper may very well be a problem, mentioned by Rajkot based Anand Popat, a uncooked cotton yarn and cotton waste dealer. In keeping with him, on the most 5% of the anticipated manufacturing may very well be affected, with might translate to 10 to 15 lakhs bales. The continual extra rainfall has hit crop development and the standard has deteriorated. It's a peculiar scenario as there was no recent development within the plant and flowering has been affected. There isn't any arrival stress by mid-December, which is uncommon. Areas around Hubli, Yadgir, Bellary and Raichur are impacted by rains, mentioned by Ramanuj Das Boob, a sourcing agent for home and multinational corporation in Raichur, Karnataka. There was extra rainfall in sporadic areas. The issue is that the rains got there when the cotton was prepared for selecting. In some areas, water flooded cotton farms that affected the roots, and in flip, cotton started to wither. Mentioned by Vinod Ahuja, a cotton grower from Punjab. 49% of extra rainfall. Such incidents of rainfall when the plant is prepared for selecting are uncommon and occur as soon as in 40 or 50 years. I am seeing this for the primary time in my life, he mentioned. The Indian Meteorological Division has mentioned the nation has acquired 49% extra rainfall from October 1st to December 13. Moreover, extra rainfall, the crop has been affected by incidences of pink bollworm, and in some locations corresponding to Telangana, failure of a herbicide tolerant BT seeds cultivated illegally. Planting of HTBT cotton is unauthorized because the center is but to approve its business cultivation. However, growers are choosing it hoping to beat the menace of pink bollworm. Farmers in a number of elements of the state are reporting yields within the vary of 4 to 5 quintals an acre as towards a median yield of 10 to 12 quintals. The areas that weren't impacted by incessant rains are higher off and would possibly see yields within the vary of 8 to 9 quintals, said by S. Mala Reddy, a pace setter of All India Kisan Sabha. And sluggish arrivals There isn't any lack of crop. There are claims of losses. However, we don't discover something particular to level out at such losses. Mentioned by Ajay Shah, Basic Secretary, Gujarat Cotton Commerce Affiliation. The concern of low manufacturing has gripped as cotton arrivals are gradual. Any harm to the crop could have occurred throughout the rains in November or early this month haven't had any impression, said by the Ajay Shah, Basic Secretary, Gujarat Cotton Commerce Affiliation. Also, Popat mentioned farmers are bullish and therefore are enjoying a wise recreation. They aren't bringing cotton to the markets if costs are low, and a good pointer of how the crop is gained statistics put by the Gujarat Commerce Affiliation. Information present that conversion of uncooked cotton into lint has elevated 4.39% throughout October to November this year, in contrast with the year ago interval. Although North Gujarat and few areas are displaying a drop, it has been compensated by increasing arrivals in Saurashtra and Kutch area. Cotton farmers will delay their season by taking their very own time to achieve their produce in markets, mentioned by Shah. Direct supply. The opposite purpose of concern of low arrivals is that some farmers at the moment are delivering cotton on to the ginning mills relatively by bringing it to the agriculture markets. The ginning mills are able to pay them increased if delivered instantly. Alternatively, farmers need to bear 2.5% of the value they get for cotton in direction of cess, dealer fee, and loading unloading expenses. Presently, Gind cotton is ruling at 65,000 to 66,000 a sweet, that is of 356 kg. Alternatively, uncooked cotton is quoted over 7,000 a quintal, as much as 10,000 a quintal throughout numerous agricultural markets within the nation. That is towards the minimal help value, that is the MSP of 5,726. Cotton farmers are getting a minimum of 30% increase than the MSP, mentioned by Shah. Costs in India are in tune with the worldwide development. The place charges are up on decreased manufacturing and provide woes. Presently, cotton on the intercontinental alternate for supply in March is quoted at 106.81 cents a pound, that is around 61,150 rupees a sweet. Reddy mentioned, in view of the sharp fall in yield, that the farmers are unable to reap the good thing about document excessive cost for cotton. Promising season. Das Boob mentioned arrivals are gradual as farmers are holding again their produce, anticipating increased cost in Karnataka and Telangana. Farmers are usually not eager to promote under 8,000 per quintal because the yield has been affected. As towards a yield of 10 to 12 quintals, farmers are getting solely 5 to 6 quintal. The second cost come down under 8,000. Arrivals decelerates is mentioned by Mr. Das Boob. As towards the crop of 23.5 lakh bales final year, the copper will likely be between 21 and 22 lakhs bale in Karnataka this year. In keeping with the Worldwide Cotton Advisory Committee, the present season is a promising one for the cotton farmers as costs are anticipated to be increased this season. Nonetheless, they have prone to rule unstable till the season end and should not even prime the present highs. Popat mentioned costs are unlikely to witness any sharp fall in view of fine export demands. We are prone to export a minimum of 50 lakh bales this season, and this might end in scarcity of provide last this year. The USDA has projected exports to be around 75 lakh bales towards final year's 79 lakh bales. Ahuja mentioned excessive cotton costs are right here to remain, and this may assist farmers come the loss resulting from inclement climate, and the season often extends to 8 months. It might finish shortly or delay, relying on how the farmers convey cotton to the markets. Pink Ballroom impression. On the impression of Pink Ballroom, he mentioned the issue crops up when farmers prolong their picking within the plant significantly in location corresponding to Madhya Pradesh. Shah mentioned the incidence doesn't happen in crops earlier than December. By that point, a minimum of 60% of the manufacturing would have been realized. Some 10 to 20% of the crop from the remaining 40% may very well be affected by pest assault. Popat mentioned the problem of milk bollworm was a minor one. Analysts and merchants are unanimous of their view that the agency development in cotton costs will seemingly proceed as charged within the future markets are ruling around 60,000 a sweat. So that's all for the today's cotton news. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and thank you.